Good morning, guys. Here's my 2011 Goodman Central Air Conditioner running on a 5 a.m. morning. I woke up hot this morning, so I had to turn this thing on. Even though it's only 61 degrees outside. Won't hurt it. But I had the urge to wake up this morning and turn on the AC because I was hot. It maintained its temperature of 73 degrees, which is good. But my room stayed stuffy and hot, so I wanted this thing to be on because I keep my door closed at night. And it just cycled off. Very peaceful out right now. A little cloudy outside, but it's very nice out today. Turned it on like 20 minutes ago. Probably more than that. Turned it on at like 5:09, 5:10. But here the unit is. On a peaceful 5 a.m. morning. Figured I'd get the video of it since I'm already up. And it's on. There's the neighbor's Goodman. That thing only turns on when it's like in the high 80s. This thing turns on all the time. It's gonna be boring today. It's only gonna be 70. Which is the high. 3-ton from 2011. This is all you know. So, figured I'd just get this little video in for you. Anyways, thanks for watching.